In this video, join us in our journey as we venture to the adventure city of Rotorua, located in the heart of New Zealand's North Island. We explore the Te Puia village to witness Maori culture come alive with traditional dance performance. Discover the stunning geothermal activity as sulfur fills and steam rises from the ground. Relax in the hot pools and let all your worries melt away. Rotorua is a must-see destination for anyone visiting New Zealand, and we can't wait to share our adventure with you guys. We rise early to travel in a 3-hour trip going to Rotorua. It is not really a pleasant day because of the rain. It has been raining for a couple of days now, but the plan is to continue until we reach to Te Puia. We paid $90 for the entrance fee, including the geothermal guided tour and Maori performance. It's already worth it at its lowest price. We're waiting for the presentation to start. After watching this spectacular performance, we are now going to our accommodation at BK Motor Lodge to check in. It is located in the center of the town. We stayed on a 1-bedroom with a private toilet. The room is simple and tidy, and it was what we paid for. In the Redwood Forest, we hiked through the towering trees and felt like we were in another world. The air was so fresh and the scenery was so breathtaking. After the Redwoods, we drove half an hour to Wai-O-Tapu Geothermal Valley. It is situated in the middle of a geothermal active zone in North Island. Everywhere you go here, you can see hot smoking grounds and boiling lakes, which are stunning to see. motion entertainment. They features a blasting games and other various activities. From laser tag to mini golf, there was something for everyone. But we can only afford the mini golf, which is really exciting for us. We even had a competition to see who could win the most in holes. We discovered a romantic and secluded spot in Rotorua where we soaked in a private hot tubs and enjoyed the tranquil surroundings. It was the perfect way to relax after a long day of exploring. Thanks for coming along with us in our adventure to Rotorua. We hope you enjoy exploring the stunning landscape of Te Puia, the majestic Redwood Forest, and the surreal beauty of Wai-O-Tapu Geothermal Valley. And of course, who could forget the ultimate relaxation of the hot pools? Rotorua is truly a destination like no other. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy travels!